guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a flawless install with this loose curly 360 lace wig from OMGHERHAIR. This unit literally starts at $100 depending on what length you get. My unit is in length 20 with a density of 180, so it brings it to a total of $200, but you can get it for $10 off using my discount code, so be sure to check the description box. It also comes with all the bells and whistles, a pre-plucked hairline, and that is done in the front and the back, which is phenomenal. Although it seemed that the unit may have been pre-bleached prior to arrival, I still decided that I wanted to do the Sally Hansen method. So I'm just turning the unit over, and then I'm going to grab my Sally Hansen in color Deep Glow. I'm just going to spray that all over the lace. This is going to tint the lace and also conceal the knots, if any. And this spray does come in different colors, so be sure to get the one that is your color. You can find it at Walmart, Walgreens, a number of different places. When you have finished this process, be sure to turn the unit over and use a makeup wipe to clean up the excess spray, because I often find that it transfers onto the hair. I'm going to show you all what the parting looks like. You get 4 to 4.5 inches of parting space in the front and also 2 in the back, and this unit can be parted anywhere. Before we begin installing this gorgeous unit, I'm just going to cut off the lace and then we're going to be ready to go. In preparation for the install, I didn't actually do the stocking cap method or the ball cap method as some of you all may know it. I just put on a wig cap, make sure it was my scalp color, and then I'm going to actually just cut off one of the combs in the middle because that's going to create bulkiness at the top. It's also really not necessary, so I'm just going to fill it in with the spray again, put it on my head, make sure it fits. I did get a size medium, and I am going to be using my go-to adhesive, which is the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. I love this one. I feel like it is the strongest hold for me between the black and the yellow, but I guess that can be a bit subjective. Let me know which one is the best for you all. Do you all prefer the black bottle or the yellow bottle? So I'm just spreading this all over my hairline in the front and also on my skin. If you're someone who has a round hairline, you won't necessarily have to put it on your hair, but I do because of my boxy hairline. After I've done this, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting just until it gets tacky, and then I'm going to proceed to move it forward. And I like to place the unit down one side at the time. I feel like this makes for the best install when you don't try to do it all at once. I generally mess up when I try to place it down, just moving it forward and not having done it one section at a time. After I've done this, I use the back of a rat tail comb to press into the lace, and then I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to clean up the excess gel. So don't worry if you find that using the yellow bottle creates some white residue, because you can easily clean it up using a makeup wipe or some alcohol. There is an area that I kind of did not get, so I am going to place some of the Got2b glue in that area, use the blow dryer on the cool setting, and then just use the back of my rat tail comb to press into the lace again. If you find that when you initially put it down that there are some areas that are still lifting, just go back in, apply more gel, and you'll be okay. You can also press your finger at the end of the lace and then proceed to comb back, and that'll give you a more seamless install as well. So I'm now just going to comb out some baby hairs in the front. This unit did come with baby hair, but I am going to trim them down because they're a bit long. This install is looking so good already. It looks like it literally grew out of my scalp, but I am going to set it later, which is going to cause it to look even more snatched. Before we move on to actually cutting the baby hair, I do want to actually apply some of my foundation in the front to make sure that everything is blending really nicely, and I'm just using a small foundation brush to do this. After trimming the baby hair, I'm going to apply some mousse to the front hairline. This is going to create shine and also give a bit of hold without crunchiness in the front. Keep in mind, baby hair is optional, and I do have other tutorials showing you all how to do no baby hair looks, but I decided that I wanted a little baby hair for this particular look. I'm going to be showing you all a half up, half down hairstyle, and if I were doing this with my natural hair, I would have baby hair in the front, so I am including that. I'm going to apply some more of the mousse in the front just to give a sleeker look and also create shine. I generally, if I was doing this on my natural hair, I'd have to use a ton of gel, but this mousse is sufficient for this particular texture. So I'm just combing the hair back in the front to make sure that everything is set the way that I desire, and then I'm going to apply an elastic band in the front. You can also do this with a satin wrap or wrap strips that you can get from Sally's, but I decided to do it with an elastic band. This is going to help to create that melted lace appearance and also to give us some security when we're pulling the hair up into a ponytail at the top.